Welcome to Medha Education channel. Today we're going to talk about an important topic, Bharat Stage Now. Let's proceed. India to go directly to BS6 emission norm by 2020. What is actually the Bharat Stage? Bharat Stage are emission standards instituted by Government of India to regulate the output of air pollutants from motor vehicle introduced in which year in 2000. They are set by the Central Pollution Control Board under which ministry under the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. What is the objective? To keep air pollutants emitted by the internal combustion engine of vehicle under control. They are based on European emission standard. What is the difference between BS4 and BS6? The following are key differences between BS4 and BS6: diesel particulate filter DPF and selective catalytic reduction SCR. These full forms are important, are being introduced with the rollout of Bharat Stage 6 norm, which were not a part of Bharat Stage 4. Real driving emission RDE will be introduced in India for the first time with the implementation of Bharat Stage 6 emission norm. It will measure a vehicle emission in real time condition. In which condition? In real time condition. In Bharat Stage 6 fuel, the volume of particulate matter 2.5 ranges from 20 to 40 micrograms per cubic meter, whereas in Bharat 4th fuel it is up to 120 micrograms per cubic meter. You have to learn that data. BS6 fuel will bring down sulfur content by 5 times from the current BS4 level. It has ppm of sulfur as against 50 ppm in BS4. Sulfur in the fuel of contribute to fine particulate matter emission. High sulfur content in the fuel also lead to corrosion and wear of automobile engine. In BS4 fuel, for every 1 kilometer, a car will emit 80% less particulate matter and nearly 70% less nitrogen oxide. Let's proceed. This is a chart and this is really very important. What is the impact of BS6? Making automobiles BS6 compatible with increase the cost of production for the manufacturing companies, which in turn will make the vehicles costlier for the buyers. This includes making changes to their production line to turn out BS6 fuel friendly engine that will become mandatory by the year 2020. Some companies may even have to import engines and other parts, but in the end it will be the car buyer's burden because vehicles with BS6 engine will cost more than the BS4 vehicle. By reducing toxic substances in the air, BS6 will help reduce air pollution. BS6 will reduce nitrogen oxide drastically, thus improving air quality. Nitrogen oxide is the primary cause of lot of health issues, especially respiratory issue. The lower sulfur in the BS6 will help reduce harmful exhaust emission like NO2, CO and SO2. Vehicles that have emission control system will perform even better with BS6. Here the end of the session. Please subscribe Medha Education for more videos. Hit the like button and hit the bell icon also. Thank you.